Hey Glam fam, today I decided that I was going to start a baddie on a budget series because y'all know that your girl loves her inexpensive wigs. I'm going to be getting into the human hair wigs soon, but girl, these sensational wigs, oh my gosh, they be giving me life. Today I'm trying out Sensationnel's Vice 6, and you guys, I love this wig. I have now had it on for about a week, and you guys, I still love this wig. I love how long it is. I love the texture of it. I love the wave that it has. Oh my gosh, y'all, it's so beautiful. I go out and about with this wig on, and most people believe that it is human hair. I mean, it is amazing that I only paid a little bit over $30 for this wig, and it is still holding up after a week. And honey, it has given me so much life. So I'm gonna have it listed down below for you guys to purchase if you are in fact interested, as well as I'm gonna have everything used in this video listed down below if you'd like to purchase anything used in this video. Make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, and I hope that you guys enjoy this video. I have done 2 other wig videos at this point, so if you have not checked them out, head over and check them out. They are sensational wigs as well, and you guys, I loved those also. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and let me tell y'all this before I stop chit-chatting. You guys, I got so many compliments on this wig, and it is just so beautiful. You can part it any way that you want to. I love it. I am obsessed with it, and I will be purchasing another Vice 6. I think that this is my favorite wig that I've tried so far, girlfriend. So let's get into this slay, honey. Or hey, how about this? Continue watching the slay, because baby, this wig was given life, and it was given scalp.
I need to step back. Constantly online, causing me setbacks. Ooh. Every day see so many people doing the things you do, and they're doing it better too. Whoa. It's like, why should I even try when there's always some other guy who's way ahead of you, but makes it look easy? Why would they need me? Oh, I hear it now. I'm just being needy. I try not to envy you, to get angry you do it better than me. I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want them to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved. That's really, really cool for you. Yeah, everything you do is cool. It's kind of unbelievable. It's also unachievable. Yeah, almost inconceivable. I'll never do it like you do. And I know I'll grow in a whole supposed to be, but self-doubt comes easy, and I've tried almost everything, but it just hasn't worked yet. I try not to envy you, to get angry you do it better than me. I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want them to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved. Ooh, I hate comparison, cause it makes me feel lesser than striving for perfection, thinking somebody will see me then. No, don't get me wrong, really want everybody to succeed, but can we start with me? Like, why was it her and not me? Why was it her and not me? Wish someone could redesign me, to not have the style to find me. Why was it her and not me? Why was it her and not me? Envy is gonna blind me. Why was it her and not me? you. It must be in the way. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. When I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. 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 Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh, you got me going, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you.